let's try this again. I recorded this and it was all out of focus. But hey, listen, maybe that's because I didn't get to the point quick enough. It is 5:45 in the morning and I haven't slept at all. I've put on a hoodie because I'm trying to be a little bit decent in front of the camera, but to be honest with you, my guys, I haven't even got any bottoms or joggers on. Anyway, I'm recording this because I've been sitting here not being able to sleep, and it just kind of dawned on me that I'm in somewhat of a rut, right? And I didn't realise it, but I am, okay? And it feels like it's, you know what? It's one of them ones where it's like me, I was just sitting, I was like, right, I'm disappointed in myself. And it doesn't, you know, it's one of them ones where it's like, it's not that bad. But when you know yourself that you're not performing to the best of your ability, it feels bad. It's kind of like, you know, when you're at school and you had that one teacher that you messed with and they were like, hey, you're not doing what you should be doing. It hurts more, right, than whether it's some random person. You're like, hey, shut up, man, I know what I'm doing. Move. Yeah, when you can feel it yourself, yeah, it's tough. The point is that it's time to level up. I'm looking around in my room and it's a mess. That may seem like a small thing, but bro, your environment means a lot to you. And, you know, speaking about environment, I've been here, I've been sitting in the room, and that I've been sitting in the room all day, not really doing anything. Yeah, it's a Sunday, but I mean, I haven't got a job, so every day is a Sunday to me. But it shouldn't be like that, right? I should be doing something, okay? Now, I'm not gonna beat myself up to the core, because obviously I do be doing stuff, but like I said, it's not as much as I want to be doing. And I'm kind of just recording this as a wake-up call for myself, and if you're watching this and you feel like it's resonating with you, then hey, it's for you as well. Now, we're coming out of lockdown as well, but whilst all of us have been waiting to come out of lockdown for a long time and are excited to, you know, go and see friends, visit new places and all of that, I don't think some of us are ready to really adapt back to normality. And it's weird because, you know, we've been waiting for it for so long, but there's all these small little things which I'm excited to go ahead and do, and it's about living life, really, right? But you want to be able to live life and experience it to the fullest. You don't want to be in a lull and just kind of, you know, and, you know, I think there's steps that we can take so that we don't fall into a depressive state or live life just riddled with anxiety. Like, I'm not saying that I necessarily, you know, I think me, myself, I don't really suffer that much with depression or anxiety that much. Like, usually I have a pretty strong mindset. But there are cases like where I can fall into a kind of a lull in terms of I'm just comfortable, right? It's just I'm feeling comfortable, but it's not a good comfort. Comfort by itself is not always good. A lot of the time it isn't, because it stops you from doing things that you should be doing to make yourself feel better about yourself and live a better and more fulfilled life. Why have I not been able to sleep? Because I'm not going out and doing exercise. I'm not training my body. I'm not exerting it so that it feels like it needs to rest, right? I'm kind of at a plateau kind of state right now. And, you know, it's a bit sad because I was going on a date, actually, and I wanted to wear some smart trousers that I've had, and I put them on and they didn't fit. And, you know, that stuff feels bad, you know, when you put on trousers that you could fit in, you know, just a couple months ago, and it's like, right, okay, now I know what I need to do. I need to fix up my shit. But bro, I said, alright, let me start intermittent fasting. And I was doing it for a while and then I just gave up. Why? Because it was easy. I was like, one day is okay to miss. But it isn't really, is it? Because that one day will break your streak, breaks your, you know, potential of forming a good habit. And that aside, I wasn't exercising either. So it's like I was kind of just half-assing it. And You know, I do tend to do that quite a lot. I do half-ass a lot of things, to be honest. And it's not good. It's not good by any means. So there's other things that, you know, have that I should be looking forward to and should be looking to get back into with things returning to normal. Like, for example, like I said, the date night that I was going to go on, I had come to the end of this bottle. This is Gucci Intensude. It's one of my favourite fragrances. It's been great. It's actually the one that my girlfriend first complimented me on. I'm getting remnants of it now still, even though the bottle's basically empty. Because this is almost done, and I know it seems like a small thing, but not being able to spray this on and, you know, add that extra level of confidence, I guess, it takes away from how you feel about yourself. I shouldn't be okay with just letting myself go, basically. That's what it comes down to, letting myself go. So like I said, we're not gonna let ourselves go anymore. It's time to level up. Like I said, if this is resonating with you and you feel like, right, yeah, Josiah, you're right, I know what you're saying, it is time to level up, then shit, go ahead and do it. And here's the thing, man, this video might act as a little bit of motivation, and by all means, if it does, well done, take it and use it as that, but motivation is just temporary, okay? So, you know, there's the whole self-help YouTube thing, bro. When you watch those videos, it's like, yeah, cool, I'm gonna go ahead and do something. But it's temporary, so you have to keep watching them. And, you know, a lot of the time, if you're watching them, you feel like you're actually doing something, but you're not. It's time to actually put things into practice. What you need is drive. Okay, drive will get you to the destination that you want to be at. And shit, it's time for me to learn how to drive, to be honest, as well, on that note. But hey, we'll get to that. We'll get to that. I can feel the tiredness actually hitting me now. Whether I'm gonna go to sleep or not is, well, you'll find out in post. Time to level up. Get out of that comfortable place. It's like, you know, when you play any RPG, you could feel comfortable just beating the same old slimes. Okay, you could beat the slimes and slowly level up, but you know that it's time to go ahead and defeat some bigger bosses, you know, to really be able to level up and really get that experience that you need to get to the next level. Oh, I love gaming analogies, bro. It's good to be a gamer. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Give me a like. Leave a comment down below how you're feeling. If you are feeling good, then hey, that's what we need to hear. We need some of that. But if you are feeling like you need to level up, then hey, leave a comment down below as a reminder to yourself. Make yourself accountable for making sure that you do take those steps. Jizimmy. And of course, subscribe for more videos. That's about it. Take care, guys. Love you all. Take care.